Hi guys, welcome back to my channel, and if you're new here, my name is Amelia and you are welcome to my channel. Today we are going to be dyeing the knots of this wig. I got this wig on AliExpress last year, so I've worn it for about 4 months. As you can tell, the knots are medium size, good enough, they're not so big, so I'll be able to work with that. And then I've been using foundation instead of tinting the lace whenever I wear this wig, and so far it has been good. But today I decided that I should actually go ahead and bleach the knots of this wig. So I'm going to be applying an amount of bleach to my lace, and then I'll wait for about 10 minutes and then wash it out. So this is a 26-inch wig that I got from AliExpress. So for the product that I'm going to be using today, this is Bleach in particular. This gives the hair a brown color, and if left on for longer, it gives the hair a golden yellow. And for the developer, this is what I'm using. This is a 12% developer, and it's of a mixing ratio of 1:1. And this basically means that you mix 1 part developer with 1 part bleach. Please make sure that you use gloves for this process because you're actually dealing with chemicals. So in a bowl, we are going to mix our solution. So since this developer's mixing ratio is 1:1, we are going to add equal parts of developer to this. And then next up, we are going to mix this solution together. You have to mix it thoroughly. So I'm going to add some of the bleach because I don't want this solution to be runny. In case this solution is runny, then it will easily slip onto the roots of the hair, and we only want to bleach the knots, not the roots. So next up, we are going to put this on the lace of the hair. You're going to make sure that you apply this mixture lightly and don't press it onto the hair, otherwise it will transfer to the roots of the hair. I'm going to apply some aluminium foil to this area. It's been 10 minutes and I can already see that the knots are bleached. As you can tell, the knots are turning brown.